Hello, today we're going to create class composites. Start by clicking on the composite project type and name it as you prefer. Once named, click Create. Next, set your composite page size, including the safe area and bleed margins, then click on the Index tab. Here, you'll import your PSPA file, usually provided by photographers who took the student pictures. You can also add people manually, but that's not covered in this tutorial. Click on Import, then Import Index File. Select your PSPA index file and click Open. If your PSPA file is formatted correctly, simply click on Complete Import. The import process adds all student data, including their photos. We're showing cartoon photos here, but in your case, it could be student or sports team photos. Feel free to click on any portrait to edit information or update the photo. Now click on the Editor tab to start arranging our class composite. Click on the composite frame icon in the top left of the software to add a frame to your canvas. Now choose the type of composite you want, like sorting by teacher, grade, or role, using the appropriate query. In this example, we'll flow by teacher. How do you want to flow your class portraits? I usually use the IntelliFlow options for automatic arrangement. Remember, we are still working on the overall teacher composite layout. Click on Generate Composite Set to see the software create individual teacher pages based on our layout. These pages are accessible in the Composite Set sub-tab. Let's go back to Layout. Resize the composite frame and add a tag text frame. We want the teacher's name to be set automatically, so expand the tag text generator, enter class of, click on Add Tag, and select Teacher. Then associate it with our composite class by clicking on Basis Group Composite. Find a nice font, set the size, and resize the composite class again. Add a regular text box for the year of the composite using the same font as the teacher. Click on Generate Composite Set to see the updated result. A dialog box will inform you that this overrides the previous set. Look at this beautiful result. We're seeing our class composite take shape. Go back to the Layout tab to add final touches. Let's start by adding a few clip arts. Now, let's drag and drop a background, ensuring it doesn't obscure the composite. If it does, deselect Occlude Composite Frame in General Layout and move it to the back. Resize it or use the B shortcut for an instant background. Change both texts to white for contrast. Choose from the software's portrait presets or create your own for the composite frame. For this tutorial, let's try Polaroid or mask shape styles. You'll see how these presets allow complex portrait designs. Select Generate Composite Set to create your final layout. If you're happy with the overall design and don't need to modify the base layout, you can proceed to refine individual class layouts. As an example, we could alter the teacher's color for a specific class. Once you're content with the adjustments, click Finalize and select your desired output format. You can save your project for future use, such as for next year's class at the same school. It's quite straightforward, isn't it? Thank you for your time.